well, welcome back. Just saw what happened to poor old Andre. So I guess we gotta go down there. Seems like a good idea. Only not a good idea at all. Alright, yeah, nothing bad's gonna happen to us down here. Except for that. Oh, shit. Damn it. I'm okay, I'm okay. There's that. I don't think we're gonna be going up this ladder ever again. Oh. I mean, I gotta swim in doo-doo water. Forget the monsters. You're gonna get fucking dysentery swimming in this. Whoa. No. 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 What the fuck? No. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Quickly. 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 Oh, okay. Oh, God. There's Andre. Hi, Andre. Okay. Oh, my God. Get out of the nasty water. What are these, like, missing people? These would be those 20 missing people. Got bunk beds. Bunk beds, dude. What the hell? They're just messing with me now. May or may not be written in blood. I'm sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry to go. Okay. Oh, jeez. Got meat hooks, you know? Can't have a horror game without some good old meat hooks.
Mia?
It's gonna complicate things. Oh, well, look, what do you know? How convenient. What's this? Turned, dead, 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 turn, turn, turn. Oh, yeah, you got Andre on there. What does L mean? Yeah, it says L. Turned into, oh, okay. Turned into what, I wonder? Alright, let's get who I presume to be Mia, out of here, I guess. Please don't eat my face. Please don't eat my face.
Yeah. Well, thank God I found you. It's me. It's Ethan.
Ethan? Ethan?
Are you all right?
You shouldn't be here.
What do you mean? You contacted me.
No, I wouldn't. Did I? Did anyone see you? Did he see you?
Hey, who else is here? What the hell's going on?
Daddy's coming. We need to go.
Daddy?
We need to go now!
He's like, Daddy? What? Oh, I can't wait to meet Daddy, whoever that is.
Where are you taking me?
Someplace safe.
Are you gonna tell me what's going on?
No.
Baby, you've been gone for 3 years.
3 years? Has it really been 3 years?
What is this place? What'd they do to you?
Not now. We need to get out of here first. I think it's this way.
Well, we're not going back up the ladder, so... all sorts of bad stuff going on in here. Like a chain that goes okay, anyway. I'm not missing something here. Except
Mia,
for
we have to talk. That message you sent me.
Not me. That wasn't me.
But you did.
I didn't.
Okay, fine. Just tell me what's going on.
I'm telling you everything that I know. We have to go this way.
yeah, let's get out of here.
Mia, are you sure you know where you're going?
Family used to bring me food through here. I remember. There. It's there. This is it.
And they escaped and lived happily ever
I
after.
remember this room. There's another door here. I'm sure of it. It's not here. It's gone. It's gone!
I mean,
We're
it's
gonna be
kind of
family.
there.
Now that you're here. There's another door here. I'm sure of it.
Yeah, you just take a rest there, I guess.
No, leave me alone!
Mia?
What is this? Oh yeah, E001. Grandma. Grandma, that's great. Alright, well. What? Who opened this door? Long, ominous hallway. Is there a gun? Is there a gun? No. It's a tarp. Let's call the police. Or not. Yeah, you've got guest house map. Guest house map. Oh, okay. Attic. Second floor. Guards area. Oh, okay, that's where I... Gotcha. First aid med. Yeah, this seems like a good idea. Let's go down the super dark staircase. No, 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 no. I don't like it. Oh god. Oh shit. Yeah, she looks a little different right about now. Damn. Threw me like 10 feet. Do I hold it or do I hit it repeated? Okay, that's gonna get infected.
Wait!
Holy shit. No. Man, I am all jacked up now.
I can hear her. I can feel her clawing her way back inside of me. Get out!
Okay, oh my god.
Leave me alone! I've been bad. I deserve this.
What the fuck are you, Mia?
Yeah, you just you just stay there. What do I do now? Let's go poker. Let's go. No, okay, maybe I shouldn't have poked her. Axe. Axe. Convenient axe. I guess I hit
We're
her.
all dead here.
Oh, I totally missed. Ow. You're gonna get the axe, girl. Ah, shit. Oh my god. Oh, of course she goes back to normal right after I do that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just don't like getting stabbed is all. I need to heal myself again? Yes? Oh, okay. Where's my giant knife wound in my hand? Alright, well, sorry about having to axe you in the neck. Now somebody calls.
You really shouldn't have come here.
No
Who's
shit.
this? And what the fuck is going on?
My name's Zoe. There should be a way out through the attic.
Attic.
Go there. Now.
do I get back to the attic? Whoa, okay. She's not there anymore. Okay. There's nothing in this drawer. What's that book? Is there anything of importance in this room? Well, I got an axe. Got that going for us. Oh, I can two-handed it now. Oh, I see. There's a little blocky thingy. Some kind of little blocky thingy going on here. But the attic is this way. I think now would be a good time to save. What am I looking for here? I think the fuse goes to this thing. I have no idea where the fuse is, though. Oh, I have the bolt cutters. Yeah. Here we go. Ta-da! Whoa. Whoa. I'll axe you again. Don't make me put this axe to your face. Oh, damn it. It's down in that room. Getting ahead of myself here. Yeah? 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 Okay. Place diffuse right there. Oh shit.
It's okay. It's okay. It's me.
No, it's not okay. Totally not
I know
okay.
you didn't mean to hurt me.
I see that shadow. You got some shit behind your back.
You shouldn't have done that.
God, hit her with the axe.
It fucking hurts.
Why you got against that hand, dude? Get it out. Get it out. What the fuck?
Let's see how you feel.
That's a chainsaw. Okay. Yeah. Holy shit. How am I supposed to play this game with one arm?
Your jaw must contain the outbreak. Gonna quit. I promise. Must burn it all down.
Holy shit. Okay. Well, that's happening. Can I pick up my hand? Hand. Alright, got my hand. It's a good start. Fuck it, let's go push the button, right? Obviously with my right hand. Not sure how this is gonna bode for the rest of the game. this way? Gun bullets. Gun. I don't know how I'm gonna use this with one hand, but hey.
Okay, fine.
Aim. Okay. Okay. Alright. Well, we have a gun, but we're down one hand, so, not sure where that puts us in the grand scheme of things. More bullets. No such thing as too many Excuse me. Oh, for God's sake. No, 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 no. Oh my God, no, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Get away, get away.
I have to do this.
No, you don't. You have to get the fuck away from me. Oh God. Reloading's really hard with one hand. Yeah, aiming straight on is kind of okay.
She must be contained.
Aiming center mass. Fuck. Excuse me while I pour this on my stump here. Get away! Oh God, this is not working out.
I have to stop it.
Probably gonna die. Dude, oh my God, how much shit am I gonna take? Yeah, I think I'm dead. Jesus Christ, like, what the fuck? Oh, jeez. Really? That was nice.
They're relying on me. Everyone is relying on me.
Oh my God, reload,
Everyone.
please. Ow. I'm like about to run out of ammo. Alright, I guess I'll switch to my trusty axe. Get down. Get away. Jesus Christ. I shot her just as many times before. Well, now what?
Welcome to the family, son.
Ow. Alright, well, I think that's a good place to stop. We'll, continue this next time.